Hi, in front of me I have OUKITEL WP6 and I'm gonna show you how to reset the app preferences on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, tap on this icon right here. Once in settings, let's scroll down and tap on the system settings. Here, let's scroll down and select reset options and tap on the reset app preferences. Then tap reset apps to confirm. And that's how you reset the app preferences on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.